This is your rental agreement tutorial for an iPhone. Thanks for joining. So I'm going to the text message first. You will actually get a notice to your email and your text messages. So this is me going and clicking through the text message, the link that comes through. So if you can see here, it is really small. So if you are having trouble being able to see this, you might want to turn your phone sideways to be able to see everything. But I'm going to go ahead and click and go in the first area that's blank. And that's required current city, state, and zip. I'm going to go ahead and complete that. I'm going to go ahead and zoom back out so that I can see what I'm doing here. Okay, and if you notice, there's a start button in the upper left. So if I was to click to start, it would keep taking me step by step to each place that I am responsible for. But if you can see, there's a lot of preloaded information. So a lot of these places you'll never have to touch, and nor can you alter them. So it's just like right there with the total miles included, excess mileage charge. I can't actually change those. Okay, so I'm going to recommend that you actually read this agreement, okay? Because if you click start and you just keep clicking next, it's only going to take you to the places you have to fill out, and you're actually going to miss that information, okay? So right here, we got your deposit. I'm going to keep going ahead and scrolling down, right? That's pre-filled. And I'm kind of scrolling in and out just to kind of see how it looks, because this is me kind of going through it and kind of seeing how it looks to me, just so I can know what you guys are dealing with. Okay, and if you see that start button never goes away, right? That start button kind of hangs out just so it can guide you if you need it to guide you and you'd rather just scroll through, okay? So if you see here, it's waiting for me to have a signature. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. I have to create a signature the first time I click in signature. So you're going to see me creating something here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and adopt and save. Hit that to save my signature. Then the next time I tap signature, there you see it fills itself right in. Okay. So again, there's a couple pre-filled areas. There's a grayed out area also under title. If renting on behalf of a company, you only need to fill this out and click in it. If you are renting on behalf of a company using a company card, and you need to actually put your job title in. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead to the next required. This is typically populated for you because this is something you filled in checkout. But of course, I didn't completely do my own profile since this is a tutorial. So I'm just going to go ahead and type it in because it's a required space since it didn't pre-fill for me. But that, again, will be pre-filled for you. Now, if you see there's a bunch of attachments there. So I'm going to click to upload my document. Now, you're going to see where it says drag and drop, but you can also click anywhere in that box and it's going to let you select things out of your photo library, take a photo, or choose files to be able to go ahead and upload. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of that. Upload this file. I'm just going to be uploading anything. This is from a recent car inspection, so I'm just going to be selecting pictures at random. Okay, but this is actually going to tell you each time you click something what you need to upload. And for this one, it would have been the back of your driver's license. Okay. But again, for the sake of time, I'm going to go through and just select anything, okay? That document's uploaded. I'm going to click in the next thing, upload document again, click anywhere. It's going to let me select a photo. I'm going to go ahead and upload. Okay, when it says done, that means I can keep going, okay? Going to go on to the next, front of credit or debit card, okay? You will be keeping on file. The one that you actually use to pay. It has to be in your name. If you didn't use a card in your name to pay, then that's something where we'll actually have to send you a charge so that we can verify the card that you're going to put on file. We can fix this, but of course, anything you pay with, even when you're going through the rental site, it's telling you have your card in your name. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and keep uploading documents. Okay. So these first five documents were required. There's also insurance, which is a sixth document, which is now required as well. So you have to upload proof of insurance. If you don't have insurance, what you're going to need to do is purchase trip insurance with auto insurance, and you can go to the website, and that's going to show you exactly how to do that. So make sure that you go out of there and you do that so that you have all five documents to upload, because you will have to have proof of insurance. You can also add insurance by paying us, so let us know if you need to do that. Now, if you notice too, just going back to what was above, there were some other spaces for you to upload things. That's for your authorized driver. So if you don't have an authorized driver, that's why it's optional. You don't have to put it there. So it's telling you almost there, right? I've completed everything I can do. You see the green accept. Okay. Then when you click that accept, it comes up and says almost there. Then it says, okay, wait a minute. I agree to all this. You click that. And then if you see, it says, thank you for e-signing this document. If you don't see that, it's not signed. Okay. So again, once you actually e-sign it, you're going to go to your email. Okay. And that's typically going to give you the finished document, right? But I was moving too fast. It couldn't email it to me first. So I'm just going to go ahead to where I originally got that notice in my email, click it, and then it's going to take me to that document, okay? Now, I have heard people saying it's only showing them the first page. So I'm assuming that's some type of error with our system. So if you only get the first page, please do let me know, and I can download and email you that. We can have a staff do that for you, so that you can actually receive that, because we do want you to have your full rental agreement in your hands, so that you can show anyone if you get pulled over or something like this to prove that, okay? Now, again, we were talking about, and I'll tell people a lot of times, you'll see way more if you go into landscape, right? Because I'm on my phone, landscape is showing this way, but it would be showing sideways for you if you actually used it. If you have trouble reading small print or on your phone, please turn it to landscape so you can see everything. I hope this helped everyone. Take care.